Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can untag yourself from an Instagram photo. So let's say one of my friend tagged me over here. So as you guys can see, I can click on my messenger icon at the top right of my screen and click on where it says Vichy Kevin, and as you guys can see, I have been tagged on this post. I can click on it and it shows me this post. So as you guys can see, my name is over here. So if I want to untag me or like myself from this post, then I have a way, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. Now what you want to do is go on the post where you want to get untagged, and at the top right of the post you can see the three dot. Click on it and you can see where it says tag option. Click on tag option, and over here you can see where it says remove me from post. You can click on remove me from post, and it's gonna say you will be removed from this post and it will be hidden from your profile. So I'm gonna click on remove. Now once I do that, it's gonna ask me like, you have been removed, update who can tag you, which means it's saying do you want to be tagged in other photos or not. So I want to still be tagged on my other photos, so I'm gonna click on cancel. I just wanted to be untagged from this photo. So that's basically how you guys can do it. Now I tap on it once. As you guys can see, my name has not been displayed over here. So that's how you guys can get untagged from Instagram photo. And do not worry, if I untag myself from a photo, the person is not gonna know that I untagged myself. All right, he's not gonna get any notification. All right, so don't worry about it. So yeah, that's how you guys can untag yourself from Instagram photo. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.